the phone is a complete reinvention of Apple's iPhone, and is undoubtedly the most important update that the company's smartphone line has ever seen. The features that had become basic elements of the iPhone user experience were eliminated and replaced with new designs and features. In fact, things are essential for the user experience, since the way people navigate in the user interface was renewed. It is known that Apple fans were scared when the company made even the simplest change to a new iPhone, so it is understandable that the iPhone X caused some waves when it was launched for the first time. And by made some waves, we mean to cause a panic that could have been even worse than when Apple abandoned the headphone jack on the iPhone 7 in 2016. Normally, when Apple fans panic for a change, it ends up being a lot of noise and nuts. The headphone jack is a perfect example. The vast majority of new headphones that are currently sold are wireless, and most users do not even think about headphones anymore. But in the case of the new most controversial feature of the iPhone X, it turns out that much of the concern was justified.